4 power hour. All right. We took a hit here. VIX. Here's the move in the VIX. This is all important where it closes. This is the whole freaking thing right here. The whole the kit and caboodle, as my wife would say. I was on planet here. I was. Well, only 3,000. I have avoided a decent disaster. I just literally got like 66.60. You know how long it took me to work to get this thing up to 66.60? And it just got hit like that. Here's the spies. Oh, you know what happened? Let's get to what's going on. I see something. The bat phone. Minutes of board's discount rate. The minutes. Treasury budget statement. They're talking about money. The bottom line. What it always boils down to. It moves things. Not a virus. Not a change in administration. Terrorist attacks. V-shaped pulp rip back. Money. SPCB on the list. Was I showing that there? Did everybody see that? Walmart. It's over. Trading my Dollar Tree. Netflix, Meta, just like Coach Dale Pinkert said, Mag 7. Microsoft. Shopify and the upgrades can't get going. Amazon, best of breed. One's hanging in there. AMD, nothing. Oh my God, look at that AMD. I was long AMD. AMD, I bought it. I schnitzeled it. I sold it. Look at the moving this thing down. I pulled a fucking, excuse me. I sprung a leak somewhere. I didn't get greedy. LVS is hurting me. LVS turned into a small loss, turned into a fucking $40,000 position. LVS. And the other ones held. Caesar. Now let me, Caesars, the rest of them held. Now let me tell you how I knew the market would have been weak as Tesla breaks low. LVS, I would implore everybody to look. Got downgraded to an equal weight. All right, that's even after it pulled back to 15, 10, 10, 12, 16%. And that's when the market, it should have bounced with the rest of them and didn't. That told me the market was weak there. All right, let's go to the main screen. I was up a lot. I was up a decent amount today. This was up like 160. IONQ, I traded well. Close in the room 19 times. Bought it. Calls came in. Rigatoni, near the high. Sound is interesting to me. Actually, no, it isn't. It's only because I'm a loser. PCG, no bounces after the fire. By the way, sound. Like fucking 2,000 sound. Retailers. Rose is hanging in there, breaking out. Rose, pure. Back the same thing. Nevada, 130. Nevada barely holding 130. They're yelling at me. Hood, animal. How can you not be buying Hood? Well, hold on a second. Let me put some point here. You know what? I don't want to write. That's fucking piker. This is piker moves. Choppiness. Relax. I started as a day trader. It is what it is. You know what I mean? It's one of the freaking best day traders in the country at one point. Doesn't mean it carried over because it didn't. I actually regressed. No, I'm only kidding. Some stocks hanging in. Let's go to the main page and let me put the option flow and what's sexy going into the close. PayPal's holding in. A couple of them are holding in. I'll tell you that you wanted the VIX to make this little pop if you wanted. Couple more shakeouts. Couple more shakeouts, still below the 200-day. Still, things are different, I believe, as the Citibank. The Citibank. The Citi. Teva. Vertex. I feel bad for people. You know what? I had Vertex yesterday. Made a great trade in it. A great trade in it. Yesterday I bought it in the room 37 and sold it like 39. Crisp, same thing. Where's Crisp? Look at Crisp. This was supposed to change people's lives, Crisp, for gene therapy. Nutella. This is my 2023 top 5 pick. I never forget where I sold it. I think it was at 48. Yeah, something around here. 48. And I said, man. Anyway, next. Let's look at XXI. Let's look. Server's hanging in. You know what? Choppiness. I meant to say I started as a day trader. What makes you good is what makes you bad. Relax. All good. Give me a second. BTDR. Nobody wanted this thing yesterday. Nobody wanted to touch it at the 50-day, and I liked it. Calls came in too. The Bitcoin miner energy play. APLD has had big news, has earnings after the close for those that are playing it. Reversal. All right, let's look at this. Will give another example. It doesn't mean it's going to continue. Sometimes the market has no memory. We're talking about where the edge is. Okay, new share right here. Boop. Percent gainers on the day. Take over. Couple of quantum dead cat bounces. ACMR is not bad. PTLO, by the way, another coffee company that goes with the aforementioned Rose. Quantum bounce. Robot bounce, whatever the hell it is. You know what I mean. Now percent losers on the day. AHR, major semi play, a wafer play. SIG, fake diamonds putting him out of business. Jewelry. Vertex, once the literally the best of breed weight loss drug out there, can't catch a bid. Donnie gave it all back. GameStop, it's over. There you go. This will tell you that which one are they going to buy? Quality now. You're going to buy Microsoft when it's still on sale under the 50-day. You're going to buy GameStop on sale under the 50-day. Who you like? That's why Gene GameStop is at least, label. I have a friend of mine that knows this too. The problem is label. Look at this label. What a shame. I love bios. My second favorite group besides semis. I used to love the drug sector. They used to go all together. Lilly, America Home Products, Warner Lambert, Upjohn, J Norm. You know what I'm talking about. Label. Oh God, I have a friend of mine that's in this. Heavy. Heavy. And yesterday was the day it could have made that reverse. And the longer it take that didn't, and breaking the low, you're all offsides now. Look at the volume. Not saying it's, I'm saying it could have helped. Actually, nope, not doing it. Do you have any questions? Discipline. Okay, let's go to more TradeGATEHub. You might know it as TradeGATEHub. Questions? Yes. It's very hard to concentrate knowing that Dion Mike could coach the Cowboys. I'll tell you that. It is hard to fight rates. This is the only what I want to happen. I want the Vic. Listen, it's fine. There are some stocks getting hurt. I don't really think there's that much fear in there. I'm not fear. I'm scoring in a couple of things, maybe a couple of disciplinary problems. Should I cut LVS earlier? Maybe. I'm a believer in F-Cell, but it's in the swing account. I want the VIX to go up. The VIX doesn't go through this 200-day on the upside. My losers are going to get worse. And I'm going to have to make good trades, 2 good trades to make it 1 trade. I need the VIX to pop so I can maneuver. That's what I'm upset about. Get the VIX. I get it. Beam, another one that goes in this gene editing. Look at Beam. Everybody's saying it's under the Vertex is just amazing. Lilly started off Lilly was the first stock I started off this morning, 11 o'clock video, or actually, no, I posted Lilly. I don't think I mentioned Lilly with Coach. There's Lilly. There you go. BBC, head and shoulder, 8 drive, 4 drive. It's going down, Bob. Lower. For now. Bristol. Can't get your bid. Pfizer. Merck. They were even trying these things in the calls yesterday. Remember Johnny John yesterday? All these other ones? Johnny John. Baxter. 1 day delay. Those will be, you might be right there. Oh my God. Okay. Let's see what's moving. The last 60 minutes. Times. 3:15. Oh my God, it's early. Percent gainers in 60 minutes. What's going on? How about this? We're only interested in stocks. Well, let's get a little broad. Oh, okay, that's good. The UVXY going up as the SQQQ is near the high. LABD, reverse bio. So they're taking down reverse up. So this is a sector that tells me S&P, bios, NASDAQ, all around freaking Qs. Percent losers past 60 minutes. Tesla, bad reversal. CIFR a minute. You bitch. I chased it. You know what? All right. Stocks taking the. This is one I'm okay. SPY bearish. Isn't that bearish of a board to me? That's the problem. What did I just look at? Where's the homie? Gotta look at the big deal. Where's the homie? IONQ. Rigatoni ripping. Near the high of the day. As Rigatoni, hold on. Rigatoni, Dave Rigetti is near the high of the day. There's Microsoft and every Meg 7 is probably near the low, if not near SC. Nugget, NNE, SMAR, GDS, I was long it last night. PCG, AEHR, I'm in it, I gotta sell it. Nutella breaking low. Position, 1140. A piker for even being this thing. Oh, hold on a second. I'm in low. What it? You know this AEHR? I gave back what I made yesterday. Last night I bought it like 12. Went to like 13. The wafer company. Watch this. I'm serious. I'll show you the trades. I will show you. Look at this. I bought it last night at 12.50. Around here. It ripped right up to freaking like 16. Watch. Executions. And I'll tell you, this is why I'm in the freaking thing. Executions prior day. Where is this thing? AHR. Yeah. I bought it last night after hours. Bought like 3,000, 1272, 13. 1280. Sold it like 15, 14, 1475. Good chunk of it, 1424. Now it's at 11. They loved it. Now it's 11. Wow. Gotta get out of it. It's just a stock. DME calls. What's this? MCore. I don't want to be wrong here. $500. Taking calls looks good, whatever that thing is. Hood gave it all back. That's bearish. Could be a short in Hood somewhere. Hold on a second. Anybody got any ideas? I'm open. Come on. Let us walk box. Yeah, everything's textbook until it becomes a loser, Mick. You know what I mean? Cutting losses should be textbook. For Mike V. Gurn. Big block. TradeGATEHub. Nice job. Here's Jim's right here. Okay. Jim's worth could buy us over in 4 lifetimes. We're working on it though, but he's right. That's what I said. Big tech is out of favor. So is healthcare. What do you want to buy? Microsoft? Put somebody, my mom, what are you calling me up? Do I buy Microsoft? The files are down here. Uh, Actually, you should buy a sound. I'm in it. One of the best gentlemen dissertators out there. Listen, we don't need Roy to tell us that we have Jeff to tell us that the dominating factor in inflation is reflected by the 10-year, the dollar. We're about 25% long. All right, fine. Good for you. We're going to adapt, adjust. What's next? The market reacts positive to PPI. Okay, PPI. He doesn't have to listen. He's putting it in any. We said it 9 different times today. Started with Coach, edified by us in the morning. Everybody knows it. Be aware. Keep some powder dry. I hate that term. I just started using it after like trading for 30 years. But it's stacking. The bouncing. Our boy saying the bids. Where's the market? One of the best traders out there. VIX. Where is it? VIX 20 minutes. I gotta go. VIX. Who knows? We can go either way. Anything else besides something pure? Now that reality things are seeping into me. Anything more pure? You know, you want to buy bros? I get it. You know what I mean? I don't see many that's up here. The HR almost sold it on the low. You know what stock is sexy? No, it's not. Some stocks breaking high, RLI, dead cat bounce, not interested, breaking high. What else do we have? Let's go over here. OPCH, TAP, they're going into beer. Coors, Bud. Oh my God, look at Budweiser. Never recovered. CLH, Nike taking calls. Oh, those are the wrong type. Those are the wrong type. Jim Cramer said it best. He says you're going to see Nike on the shelves of TJ Maxx one day. You know what I mean? To go to Dollar General, it'd be like Hanes, and then there'll be Nike right next to it. Unfortunately, Jordan's in both of them. Sorry, Mike. I'll leave it there. There you go. Trend Spider, all over it again. Pat myself on the back. It's a tough day. GME over. AMC over. ANF, it's over. By the way, this guy's good. He's friends with our boy, Connor. These two are friggin' sharp. One of the sharpest young kids out there. ANF, another one. Even and look at AEO. Sold it the other day at 17. A lot of it, thank God. I hope they killed it. All right. Doji. No, I wouldn't even go there. Oh, VFC hangs in there. All right, I gotta go. Mike VM in the room. Thanks for sharing. Someone's bailing on CPI. Someone's bailing on CPI. Riven full breakout. You gotta go to my Twitter feed. Freaking follow like 60 people. They're all people. Someone is bailing for CPI, not sure, but cash at 5,800. 5,800 the line in the sand cash. Yes. Riven. Gave it back. I didn't feel bad I missed it. I knew it. I knew it. Testing. Listen, it seems like, you know what? A lot of now it's coming again. A lot of these stocks that seems like moving. If they were bullish and going up and testing these upward resistance of moving average, it probably holds that way. Nvidia being one of them. Okay, right. That the coach called. I forget what the target is. But I know coach, it's probably like 38. But helps me keep in stocks because just like Mick to a degree, you sit here a lot. You one of the uh, I would say occupational hazards, if you will, is staring at it too much, letting your positions work. This one really, I'm gonna test the moving average. Some of them already broke them. I wouldn't be surprised if Amazon. Listen, it's not a barn burner, but that freaking 50 days, a couple of dollars away, but a couple of dollars more down in Amazon might mean a couple of, a good percentage of the rest of them going down. We good? Say it again. 10. I'll give it to you. Strong open, weak close, good news, poor action. Meta. Jim's defending Meta. I'm an anti-Kramer guy. But you know what? You have a lot of things going on with this chart. Broke the 600 psychological level, and believe me, when people look at the rest of the portfolio and like a lot of psychological levels are broken, they tend to exacerbate this type of, whether it's good or not. Hasn't even had any real round of selling yet. Everything's curling down, and you know what? Unless they pull like these, it doesn't feel like it's. Last time Microsoft was held, and it bounced back, and it kept breaking. Oh no, was the VIX. Now it's going up. Now it's going down. It's over. Thanks everybody for tuning in. A minute. Cheers.